We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing two Bradford White 50-gallon water heaters, side by side. Brand new ball valve up on top. That's a 3/4 inch quarter turn ball valve on and off, and then of course a little brass nipple in there. Falcon stainless steel connectors down to brass extensions, so that's good. Relief valve comes with it. Temperature and air pressure. Any problems, and this will pop off and drain out of this line back to existing. We got my mask on. Here we got a brand new vent, adjustable 90 here, over to a new piece of pipe, and then this is existing. It was all one piece. You've got a little collar, a little 4x3 reducer, up to this T. So that's all yours down to here. That's our new pipe. That's our new 90. That's our new draft diverter. Up here, adjustable straps at the upper third, adjustable straps lower third, and then of course we gave you a brand new gas shutoff valve and a brand new connector over to the controller. And we're going to light these in just a minute and leave this on 120. When we get done here, we're going to put them on hot right there, hot. And the reason why is the scalding risk increases with hotter water, so leave it right there at 120 when you're done. If you turn it up, you run the risk of scalding, especially B140 30-degree burns, 3 seconds, you're going to the hospital. Anyways, I want to do the other one, and then I'll show you what's going on down below with these pumps. Same thing, brand new shutoff valve, brand new brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connector on both sides, and we've run water already through here. It's under pressure. We've looked at it. There's no leaking. We do ask you to monitor it, after we leave. Occasionally take a look and make sure everything's still okay. Relief valve installed, little nipple down to the relief line. Both of these dump out on the side yard right there, about 6 inches above grade out there, so that's good. Brand new piece of pipe here, brand new 90 here to the draft diverter. So that's everything up top. Like I say, this is already installed during new construction. This portion right here, this portion right here. So that's our piece of pipe in 90, and that's our piece of pipe in 90. That's it. And then of course everything up here is good. Falcon adjustable strap on the top, adjustable strap on the bottom, and then of course gas valve, gas connector. So down to the pumps. These were existing, and we didn't want to mess with these too much. So everything from the wall out is all yours. The only thing we've done right here is put a brass nipple in, and then this has a copper adapter on it, and we unscrewed the whole thing when we took the old water heater part. We just took it and unscrewed the whole thing, and now we unscrewed it back on. And then we tied it together right here. There's a union right inside this, a little 1/2-inch copper union, so that's tied together, and the water is onto it, so that's good. Over on this side, same thing, we unscrewed it, so we got that nipple, little brass nipple in there, that guy right there, and then you can see the copper adapter, and so that's how we took it apart and put it back together. This, once we turn the water on with this little air valve back here, whatever it is, which we don't know what it is, air admittance valve, we don't know. There's one on each one, so you can see there's one right there and one right here. And we turned it on, it started leaking water everywhere out of the top. So this needs to be replaced, and that's not part of our scope of work. I don't know what it's for, and so we can try and help you look for it, but without correct labeling, we'll have to just maybe look at some images on Google. Anyways, we just capped it off for right now, so you can see that guy unscrews, just screws back in. So if you can find another one, you just shut off this valve, unscrew the plug, and this is looks like a 1/2-inch by quarter brass bushing, and then this of course has a 1/4-inch male fitting on there that just screws back in. So anyways, that's that one. We did notice also this pump is cracked. Looks like right here you had this cord wrapped around many times, just to keep the slack off the ground. But right there, the heat got to be too much, and it ate through this wire, and you can see that's bad. Also, looking at the pump, you can see right here, it's cracked. It's not leaking, but it's cracked. I'd get this addressed. And matter of fact, I'll ask you if you want us to. We'll shut the water off here and at the wall, and then you can get another pump on order. But that's pretty bad right there. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and light these up right now. You'll have water in about 2 hours. Outside of that, this installation is done.